guys, we are up with a new series. So this series is survival emergencies in Germany. So in this video we're gonna have the first topic as post office. So if you lived in Germany or if you are going to Germany, then yes, this video is just for you. So in this whole video what we're gonna discuss is that we're gonna give you the very useful phrases which is very useful and most useful there specifically for that post office, and after that we'll be giving you amazing conversation also in German with English subtitles, that how you can use that phrases and actually the reality that how people do speak it and everything. So make sure this is our first episode. We are coming up with 4 more episodes. Make sure to watch this video. Make sure to subscribe German Gyan channel, and again, if you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, speaking classes, theory practice, exam preparation, like whatever you can think around German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So make sure to subscribe German Gyan YouTube channel. And guys, let's start this video because I'm super excited for this series. Let's start.
Hello everyone, so let's start with our series of surviving in Germany for emergency cases. And in this first series we are going to tell you the scenario of post office. So let's start with the video. The first scenario is sending a letter or a package. The first situation is an Indian student needs to send a letter or a package but isn't sure about the procedure. So here are some of the phrases which you can use when you are also in the same situation, and let's start with the phrase. So the first phrase is Ich möchte einen Brief oder Paket verschicken. Wie geht das? Means I would like to send a letter or a package. How does it work? Now here I have used the verb verschicken to send. So the verb verschicken is used when referring to sending mail, packages, emails or other items to someone. So you can use this verb. The second phrase is Wie viel kostet der Versand ins Ausland? Means how much does the international shipping cost? Third phrase is Könnte ich eine Sendungsverfolgung haben? Means could I have tracking for this shipment? Now for the word shipment tracking I have used Sendungsverfolgung. And another phrase is Brauche ich eine spezielle Verpackung für das Paket? Which means do I need special packaging for the package? So this was the first situation where you can use these phrases. Receiving a package. The new situation is that a student receives a notification that they have a package at the post office, but the student isn't sure about the process of picking it up. So here are some phrases which you can use in the post office to receive your package. The first one is Ich habe eine Benachrichtigung erhalten, dass ein Paket für mich hier ist. Means I received a notification that a package for me is here. Another phrase which you can use is Wo kann ich mein Paket abholen? Means where can I pick up my package? For pick up the verb is abholen. And next sentence is Haben Sie mein Paket noch? Es wurde letzte Woche angekündigt. Means do you still have my package? It was announced last week. And the last phrase is Ich habe den Abholschein verloren. Kann ich das Paket trotzdem abholen? Means I lost the pickup slip. Can I still pick up the package? Now please remember, this is a very useful phrase, because just imagine a situation where you have literally lost your pickup slip. Then how would you connect with a German? Then this is a phrase which you can use. Registering an address. In this situation, a student needs to register their address with the local post office after moving to a new location. So here are the phrases which you can use in this situation. The first one is Ich bin umgezogen. Wie kann ich meine Adresse hier registrieren? Means I have moved. How can I register my address here? Second is brauche ich dafür einen Termin? Means do I need an appointment for this? Next is muss ich eine Bestätigung der Adresse vorlegen? Means do I need to provide proof of address? And the last is wie lange dauert es bis meine Adresse aktualisiert ist? Means how long will it take for my address to be updated? Problem with a package delivery. In this situation, a student has a problem with a missed delivery and does not know how to proceed. So here are the phrases which you can use. The first one is mein Paket wurde nicht geliefert. Was soll ich tun? Means my package wasn't delivered. What should I do? Next is konnte ich eine erneut Zustellung anfordern? Means could I request a re-delivery? Next is ich habe das Paket nicht bekommen. Können Sie mir bitte helfen? Means I didn't receive the package. Can you please help me? And the last is warum wurde mein Paket nicht zugestellt? Means why wasn't my package delivered? So these are the phrases which you can use. Post office working hours. In this case, the student is unsure about the working hours of the post office and needs to plan a visit. So these are the phrases which you can use if you are in the same situation. The first one is was sind die Öffnungszeiten des Postamt? Means what are the post office opening hours? Next is ist das Postamt heute geöffnet? Means is the post office open today? Next is haben Sie auch am Wochenende geöffnet? Means do you also open on weekends? And the last is wie lange ist das Postamt heute geöffnet? Means how long is the post office open today? So these were some of the phrases which you can use when you are planning a visit to the post office. Now let's start with the conversation. So in this conversation we have used the phrases which we have told you earlier. So now you can see how we can use the phrase in a conversation when you are in the post office. So let's start. Hallo, ich habe eine Benachrichtigung erhalten, dass ein Paket für mich hier ist. Wo kann ich es abholen?
Klar, können Sie mir bitte Ihren Abholschein zeigen?
Oh, leider habe ich den Abholschein verloren. Kann ich das Paket trotzdem abholen?
Kein Problem. Haben Sie einen Ausweis dabei?
Ja, hier ist mein Ausweis.
Danke. Ihr Paket ist hier. Hier ist es.
Super, danke. Und wie lange dauert es, bis meine Adresse aktualisiert wird?
Die Aktualisierung dauert normalerweise ein paar Tage. Ich gebe Ihnen eine Bestätigung mit.
Perfekt. Danke für Ihre Hilfe. Ich habe auch eine Frage. Wie viel kostet der Versand ins Ausland?
Der Preis hängt von der Größe und dem Gewicht des Pakets ab. Möchten Sie ein Paket verschicken?
Ja, ich möchte ein Paket nach Indien schicken.
Okay, ich kann Ihnen dabei helfen. Lassen Sie uns das Formular ausfüllen.
Vielen Dank. Gern geschehen. Viel Erfolg mit Ihrem Paket.
So guys, how was this first episode? I hope you enjoyed a lot. I hope now you are expert and ready to go to the post office for any need. If you are having a requirement, then yes, thanks me later to this video, because thankfully German Gyan is there for you to each and every help. Make sure to subscribe German Gyan YouTube channel, and we'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.